Welcome to Clever Mum, where we turn parenting challenges into simple, creative solutions. Let's make snack time easier and more fun together. Are your kids always asking for sugary snacks? Imagine if they craved exciting, healthy alternatives they couldn't resist. We all know that convincing kids to choose healthy snacks over sugary ones can feel like climbing a mountain, right? But snack time doesn't have to be a battle. With a few creative ideas, we can transform snack time into an adventure, a moment of family bonding. Stay with me. I'll share 3 delicious, easy snack ideas your kids can help make. Trust me, they'll actually look forward to these snacks. Healthy eating doesn't mean saying no to fun. Kids are naturally curious, and that curiosity can help build healthier habits. Instead of choices feeling boring, let's show them how exciting healthy snacks can be. Did you know kids are more likely to eat foods they help prepare? Let snack prep become an experience, a joyful moment you share. In this video, I'll teach snack ideas that nourish little minds and create family memories. From nutrient-packed, easy-to-make treats to discovering new flavors, snack time can be stress-free and fun. By the end, you'll have tools to align parenting goals with creativity, making life easier and tastier. First up, yogurt parfaits. Think layers of creamy yogurt, juicy fruits, and crunchy toppings. A mini masterpiece. Start with your kids' favorite yogurt, like Greek or dairy-free. Have them layer fruits like bananas, strawberries, or mango, and sprinkle granola, coconut, or cereal for extra fun. Mix in nuts or honey for added flavor while chatting about nutrients like protein. Let picky eaters choose their fruits or decorate jars for a personal touch. Allergies? Use allergen-friendly options. The interactive layering makes nutrition colorful and fun, and it's perfect for breakfast, snacks, or even desserts. With yogurt parfaits, snack time becomes an adventure your kids will love exploring over and over. Next, peanut butter banana oat bites. Start with mashed bananas, they're naturally sweet, and mix in oats and peanut butter. Let kids add mix-ins like chocolate chips, cranberries, or seeds for extra fun. Want a twist? Crush pretzels for a salty kick. Rolling the dough into bite-sized balls gets messy, but kids love it. Chill and enjoy these energy-packed snacks for school, trips, or a quick pick-me-up. Use snack prep as a chance to share fun food facts or explore substitutions like sun butter for allergies. Have your kids name their creations for extra fun. These bites are delicious, quick, and an easy way to make nutrition playful. Lastly, let's build snacking habits that last. It's about more than recipes. It's creating an environment where healthy eating feels natural. Start by involving kids in snack prep, like picking fruits or packing their snacks. Teach portion sizes using snack bowls or colorful bento containers. Presentation is key. Carrot sticks can be playful shapes or colorful displays. Host DIY snack nights with creative platters of fruits, veggies, and dips to make variety exciting. With every snack, share trivia or food facts to spark curiosity. Life gets hectic, so simplicity is fine. Flexibility builds sustainable routines, turning snack time into an experience that nourishes bonds and bodies. You've been watching Clever Mum, making extraordinary memories. Which snack will you try? Comment below and share with loved ones. Like this video and subscribe to Clever Mum for more tips. Hit the bell icon for updates. Let's keep making parenting easier and more joyful.